Good morning, students. Today I am starting chapter 15, Visualizing Solid Shapes. So, in the exercise 15.1, question number first. So, the question number first is identify the nets which can be used to make cubes. Cut out copies of the nets and try it. So, in this question, you have to make cubes. Okay. Firstly, you have to draw this type of boxes and cut in your copy, and after that fold it. And by this net you can make cube or not. So the answer is cube net are second, third, fourth, and sixth. When you when you will arrange this net, so you have to make by cube by this given points. In the same question number 2 to 4 you have to try. Okay. Question number 5, match the nets with appropriate solid. That means here are given a match. These are cube, cylinder, cone, and prism. So here are given their nets, and we have to match it these which net are given cubes. So firstly these are cube. So the answer is solid shapes. Here are these nets are of cube, and when cylinder this, because when we open this cylinder, okay, so here are two circle and remaining parts are is the rectangle like that. And see, we can see when we open this cone, so these are solid set like that. And in the prism, when we open the prism, so these are the net of this prism. In the question number 5, you can try with by doing yourself. In the exercise 15.2, you have to do this all question in your book. Okay, like that. You can see first question is use isometric dot paper and make an isometric sketch for each one of the given shapes. Here are given shapes and you have to isometric sketch like that. Okay, you can see here answers first, and the answer number second is like that. Okay, so you have to do by yourself. And next question is question number 2. In the question number 2, the dimensional of a cuboids are 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. Draw 3 different isometric sketch of the solids. Here are given one solid shapes of cuboid, and we can use this measurement and draw 3 isometric sketch. Okay, so we can see here these are the 3 isometric sketch of measurement of these sides. Okay, so these are the 3 isometric shape, and we can use in this 5 centimeter, and in the second may 2 centimeter, third is 3 centimeter. We can use exchange these centimeters and make 3 isometric sketch. So in the exercise 15.2 you can do by yourself in your book. You have only tried. Exercise 15.3 question is what cross section do you get when you give a vertical cut, horizontal cut to the flowing solids? Vertical, that means this type of cut, and horizontal, that means this type of cut. Okay. So first brick, we can see brick when we make our house, so we use a brick. Round apple, a die. When we play Ludo, we can use a die. Okay. A circular pipe, we can see circular pipe at our home, and ice cream cone. So we can see answer. First we have to write a serial number. After that figure, vertical cut and horizontal cut. Okay. Vertical cut, when we cut vertically, so this type of shapes like that, and when we cut a brick this horizontally, okay, so we have to cut like that. So these are like that shape. Next, in the round apple, we have to cut vertically, and after that horizontally we can see the apple figures and die. Okay, and circular pipe, so we can cut vertically. Okay, and after that horizontally, so we can see figure like that. And in the ice cream, when we cut horizontal, so like that, so we have to cut in two parts, and when we cut vertically, okay, vertical, so this type, and horizontally, so this type. Next, in the exercise 15.4, question number first, a bulb is kept burning just right above the flowing solids. Name the shape of shadow obtained in each case. Attempt to give rough sketch of the shadow. You may try to experiment first and then answer the question. That means in this figure, that means in this questions you have to firstly try it practically and after that give the answer. That means here are given a bulb, okay, and this ball. So that the question means is कि when this bulb light is reflected on ball, so what is the shadow, type of shadow, this ball and cylindrical pipe and this book. Let's see the answer. So the ball shadow is like a circle, cylindrical pipe is like a line, and book is like a rectangle. You can do by it yourself practically, okay. And next question is question number 2. Here are the shadow of some 3D objects when see under the lamp of our head projector. Identify the solid, the image is shadow. There are be multiple answer of this. That means here are given a shadow of, and we can write the answer ki which type of solid shapes make by this shadow. Shadow of circle is like a 3D objects in chapati, football, disc, plate and extra. We can write by our daily life which type of shadow make by circle, 3D shapes, okay. In the square, so die, we can see the shadow of die. These are like a square, okay. And paper sheet, cubicle, magic box, chalk box, extra, and match box also. In the triangle, we can see the ice cream. Ice cream cone shadow is like a triangle. Birthday cake shadow is like a triangle. And in the rectangle, geometrical box and table shadow, we can see the table shadow. So these are the shape of rectangle. Next day, question number 3. Examine if the following are true statements. The cube can start a shadow in the shape of rectangle. क्या cube की जो shadow है वो rectangle shape में हो सकती है? So the answer is true, because when we see the shadow of cube, these are like a rectangle. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of hexagon. क्या cube की shadow hexagon shape में हो सकती है? तो no, because in the hexagon we can see there are 6 sides, and in the cube there are 4 sides, okay. So answer is false. So chapter 15 is completed. Thank you for watching, and you can do by practically in some questions, okay. Thank you for watching again.